Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where billionaire mansions, ultra-luxury estates, and world-class architectural masterpieces come to life. Today, we are taking you inside one of the most extravagant creations ever imagined, a $14 billion presidential mega mansion, inspired by the grand lifestyle, power, and legacy of Donald Trump. This is more than a home. This is a statement of wealth, ambition, and ultimate prestige. Imagine stepping into a world where every corner is built to impress, where architecture meets royalty, and where modern technology blends with golden elegance. From the moment our drone rises into the sky, the entire estate glows like a futuristic palace. The golden domes shine under the bright sun, massive marble driveways stretch hundreds of feet, and the mansion's scale makes everything around it look tiny. You instantly feel the presence of a billionaire's dream, massive, powerful, and unforgettable. As our drone moves closer, the entrance alone looks like a scene from a Hollywood movie. Giant marble staircases, 30-foot golden doors, crystal columns, fountains positioned symmetrically, and perfectly sculpted gardens set the tone for what comes next. This is not just a mansion, this is a presidential palace built to reflect dominance and elegance. And here on American Dream Mansions, we don't just show you houses, we show you masterpieces that belong to the top 1% of the world. The moment you step inside, the atmosphere changes instantly. A breathtaking grand hall opens up in front of you, with a marble floor polished like glass and chandeliers the size of small cars hanging from the ceiling. Every wall carries gold trimming, every piece of furniture screams luxury, and the architectural detailing looks like something from a royal palace in Dubai or Monaco. This home was designed for someone who thinks beyond limits, someone who wants the world to know that success has no boundaries. Moving deeper into the mansion, the living room is a blend of modern glamour and presidential sophistication. Imagine 40-foot-high ceilings, panoramic glass walls, velvet sofas, crystal decor, and a sound system that fills the room like a live concert hall. The view from the living room stretches across the massive gardens, the infinity pool, and the endless horizon. In this mansion, even the air feels expensive. From the living room, we enter the gourmet kitchen, not an ordinary kitchen, but a fully automated, marble-covered masterpiece. Golden faucets, a 20-foot island, smart appliances that respond to voice commands, and a dining area that looks like it was made for world leaders and royal families. When you have a $14 billion estate, even your breakfast feels presidential. Next, the camera glides into the luxury bedroom suites. Each bedroom is bigger than most apartments, featuring king-size beds, floor-to-ceiling windows, royal curtains, velvet textures, and warm lighting that creates a perfect blend of comfort and extravagance. The bathrooms attached to these rooms look like five-star resort spas, huge soaking tubs, rainfall showers, marble everywhere, golden sinks, and mood lighting that makes every moment feel cinematic. As we continue the tour, the garage comes into view, a collector's dream. Imagine a polished marble floor garage lined with Lamborghinis, Rolls-Royces, Bugattis, and Ferraris, all displayed like artwork. Soft LED lights highlight every contour of the cars, turning the entire garage into a billionaire showroom. Here on American Dream Mansions, we know car lovers will appreciate this part the most. Now we head towards one of the main highlights, the private luxury gym. Designed with glass walls, modern workout machines, stainless steel equipment, and smart lighting, it feels like you're training inside a futuristic sports center. A motivational environment where power, discipline, and luxury merge into one. Then comes the crown jewel, the massive swimming pool area. A crystal-clear infinity pool stretches across the backyard, surrounded by palm trees, marble pathways, luxury cabanas, and a breathtaking view of the sunset. At night, blue LED lights transform the entire outdoor space into a glowing paradise. The reflections on the water create a perfect cinematic moment, as if this mansion exists in another world. And finally, we return to the stunning night drone view, the entire estate glowing like a golden kingdom under the stars. Thousands of lights illuminate the domes, the pool, the gardens, and the mansion's grand structure. It truly looks like the most expensive home ever built, a symbol of limitless ambition and billionaire power. This is the $14 billion presidential estate, and only on American Dream Mansions do you get to experience it in full cinematic detail. So if you love billionaire mansions, luxury living, and the world's most incredible architectural wonders. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and join us for more jaw-dropping mega mansion tours.